Hi kids, how are you? This is teacher Johanna from the Science Lab, and today we're going to make a great experiment with the five senses. So I'm going to show you a list of materials that you're going to need to make this great experiment. First, you're going to need a box. You're going to turn it around, draw a circle here that needs to be big enough to fit your hand, okay? And then, with the help of a scissor, you're going to cut. You have to make one on both sizes of the box. So now that we have both holes, we're going to cover our box with a t-shirt like this. And now that you have the box, you're going to ask for someone to put a lot of different elements, a lot of different things inside the box without you knowing what exactly is going on there. And with the sense of touch, you're going to guess just by touching what elements are inside. So just by touching, you're going to analyze each one of the things that are inside of the box without looking, and then you can guess what exactly is you're touching. For example, in this case, it's an apple. A dinosaur toy. And now we're going to use a blindfold to cover our eyes, and we're going to ask for an adult to bring us things with different smells, and we're going to try to identify what they are by using our sense of smell. So first we have to cover our eyes. Apple, lemon, garlic, jam, cinnamon. Also, you can identify some tastes, like for example, salty like cheese, sweet like an apple, sour. Also, you have spicy and many other flavors that you can identify by using your sense of taste. And now, for the vision experiment, you're going to need a pencil, some clay, and you can use anything that has a small hole, okay? For example, I'm using this that I found in my kitchen. You're going to use the clay to put it all together, and then you're going to need something that's small enough to fit inside of the hole, okay? So I'm going to show you now how to do the vision experiment. We're going to see your 3D and 2D vision. So what we're going to do is we're going to use first both of our eyes, and we're going to circle it around, and then with the help of our both eyes are going to get this inside this. So with two eyes, with a 3D vision, it's very easy to do it, but now we're going to try it with a 2D vision. So to do this, we have to close one of our eyes like this, and we're going to do the same experiment. And then without opening that eye, we're going to try to fit it in. So you can see it's kind of hard, but we just have to practice. And then we're going to do it with the other eye, okay? And you see, this is how we know the importance to have both eyes to have a 3D vision. So you try it at home and you let me know how many tries did it take for you to fit it in. And now we're going to experiment with our sense of hearing. So for that, you're going to need one cup and a shoelace, a cord. So you need basically anything that makes a sound, but I like to do this experiment. So what you basically need to do is to put a little hole in the cup, and then you're going to put the shoelace inside of the hole. And with this, you can make a lot of different sounds. You can also put another cup in the other side of the cord, and you can see how the sound get translated from one side to another. Or if you want to try many different sounds, you can just use your cell phone and you can ask for an adult to help you with different kinds of sounds, like for example animals, cars, trains, and you can identify the object of the sound just by using your sense of hearing. And that's it. And now you can make your report about how it was to use all of your senses at once, and what was more difficult, which sense was easier to use, which experiment did you like the most, and I want to see everything you are writing. See you!